careful, Chase.
Do not bump it.
It's the last one. Okay, let's go. That's so cool. That was awesome.
We should totally do it again.
Let's clean this up and do something else.
Okay, fine. What do you guys want to do next then?
Open these presents. Who are these presents from anyway? They're from grandparents and relatives, but we can still open them anyways.
No, we gotta wait till Christmas.
But I really want to open these presents. Yeah, because then we can play with them till Christmas.
Boys, you can all open them early. Santa won't like that.
Fine. Shawn, come on, let's go do something else. All right, Shawn, let's pretend like we're going outside and then sneak around and go into the garage and then open the presents. Yeah.
That was way too easy. Chase does not just give up like that. We have to stop them from opening these presents. Okay, Lauren, we gotta barricade all the entrances. We cannot let the boys get to those presents. We gotta make this tall enough so the boys can't get in. That should do it. Does that look tall enough, Lauren? Lauren, what are we gonna barricade this with?
Let's heat those kitchen chairs.
Genius, Lauren. There, Lauren. We're gonna hide behind here in case the boys break in through any of our other barricades, okay? There, now the presents will be safe.
I have some Nerf Blasters in my toy room. Let's sit them.
Good to go, Lauren. These boys are so gonna get it if they try to get these presents.
Wait, let's grab those Nerf blasters real quick.
Okay.
All done. Oh yeah? Blow your blaster, Shawn. You first, Chase. At the same time. Okay. Remember our task. We're not here to battle each other. Let's go. What? It's barricaded! How are we gonna get it there now? Let's try through the kitchen. Oh snap! What have those girls done? How are we gonna get through that, Chase? Guess we're gonna have to blast through it with a grenade. Let's go get one. I got 2 grenades just to be safe. Are you sure that's not too much? No, but let's do it anyway. Run for cover, Chase!
Ah! They blasted up our barricade! Get them! Take that, boys! Get him, Lauren!
We have to retreat! Run! We need to upgrade our firepower. Let's go back around to the garage.
Okay. Come on, Lauren. We gotta hide these in the bathroom. The boys are gonna be back soon. Okay, Lauren. I'm gonna use Dad's Nerf Blaster to hold off the boys. You go get the rest of the Christmas presents. Hurry, Lauren. I hear the boys coming.
I got it. This is the last one.
Wait, Lauren. The boys are here.
It's not an automatic! We need to upgrade to an automatic! Retreat! Come on, the chaos loop. This is gonna be much better. Yes, the chaos. Let's go.
Lauren, hurry. Come on. Before the boys come back. Let's go hide in the bathroom. I know where Dad hides his nemesis blasters. The boys will never get the presents now.
Karlie was right around this corner. Maybe she's still there. She's not there, Chase. I don't see her. Let's go get the presents. Yeah. The presents are gone! Where could they be? Karlie was my mom and dad's bedroom. Let's go look in there. Okay. Whoa! What are we gonna do? She has the nemesis. Let me try something. Okay. It's in the garage. Dad keeps his fart spray in here. How are we gonna use that? Let me show you. First, we close off all the vents. I don't get it, Shawn. What's this gonna do? Now that we've closed off all the other air ducts, if we put it into the ventilation system, then it'll only go to the bathroom. Oh, good plan.
Oh, what's the smell? Oh, I'm gonna be sick. Oh, I gotta get out. Gotta get out. Oh no. Come on, Lauren. Let's get out. Oh, what are you guys doing there? We surrender. We surrender.
The old-fashioned fart spray. Haha, now you're gonna get us those presents and put them back by the Christmas tree so we can open them up. Yeah.
I gotta teach those boys a lesson not to open presents early.
Okay, here, boys. These are the last presents. That we don't want any part of this, so we're gonna go.
Finally, we're gonna open presents. Yeah.
Ho, ho, ho!
Santa.
You can't open presents before Christmas? You know what happens if you get on Santa's naughty list.
Uh-oh. Sorry, Santa. We'll never try and open presents before Christmas again.
I knew this fake Santa suit would come in handy at some point. They won't be trying that again anytime soon.
Last week's question was, you can't brush your teeth for 2 weeks or you can't bath for 2 weeks. Lee Rag said, I'd take can't brush your teeth for 2 weeks. May have dirty teeth and bad breath, but better than stinking all over. Ha ha. That's an awesome comment. David Clark McCall said, I would choose not brush my teeth for 2 weeks. All you have to do is chew breath mints and gum, and nobody can tell if you brushed your teeth. We love your comments and thanks for commenting. Today's Which Would You Choose is, would you rather have one extra present for Christmas or open 3 presents early? I think I'd have one extra present. I'd probably have opened 3 presents early. Oh, I'm against you then. Thanks for watching, guys.